Easy Lift Equipment ELDR DC-powered drum dumpers are the safe and ergonomic solution for handling drums or rolls in a wide range of applications. ELDR models feature a compact straddle leg base frame designed for lighter-duty applications in confined areas. At only 27 inches in overall width, these machines are designed to work in congested areas and fit through a standard 30-inch doorway. The compact straddle leg base frame allows for drums to be gripped or released from the corner of a pallet. The model seen here features our CR clamp with 8-inch high clamping pads which fit between the drum's ribs and is designed to handle drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter and weighing up to 500 pounds. The clamping pads are comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. The CR clamp offers 360-degree endless side rotation, either left or right. Scale systems for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas are also available for dispensing the contents of drums by weight or performing inventory. Before using the drum dumper, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all control functions are in proper working order. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator, including switches for lifting and lowering, a continuous 360-degree endless rotation either left or right, as well as clamp open and close. The DC cabinet also includes a red safety switch for the clamp function to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. When charging is required, ensure the drum dumper is turned off. The internal charger uses a standard 120-volt outlet on the side of the DC cabinet. A polarized heavy gauge extension cord is required, which connects the unit to a wall outlet. This drum dumper has our DC-powered lift system, which includes two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries, which are housed in a closable cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and a gauge-type battery discharge indicator. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. Charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. The charger has separate indicators for each battery which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. Once the equipment is fully charged, unplug the extension cord, turn the equipment on, and disengage the foot floor lock to begin application. At this point, ensure the scale indicator is turned on by pressing and holding the power button. Verify the weight is properly calibrated and set to 0 prior to picking up any drums. When approaching a drum from the corner of a pallet, press the lift switch up or down so the clamp is in line with the center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. Open the clamp and push the equipment forward to clamp the drum. It is recommended to apply slight forward momentum when clamping so the front of the clamp meets the back of the drum, ensuring a secure grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting it to its destination. Darcore ergonomic casters allow the operator to move the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. The model shown here features an FDA-approved epoxy gray powder coating for food or pharmaceutical applications. When the drum dumper is in position for dispensing or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Leaving the drum dumper unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs accordingly. Raise the drum by pressing the up switch. The CR clamp rotates 360 degrees endlessly, either left or right, at a controlled speed, enabling easier positioning and accurate dispensing into a tank, mixer, or hopper. When dispensing, never leave the unit unattended. Drum dumpers are available with optional scales for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas for dispensing the contents of drums by weight or performing inventory. Scale systems allow the operator to monitor the overall weight of the drum being dispensed, stopping when the operator reaches the desired drum weight. However, an alternate method used when dispensing by weight is to measure the content being dispensed. This is achieved by zeroing the scale once the drum is elevated to the dispensing height. resetting the weight to 0 and allowing the operator to clearly monitor the content weight being dispensed from 0 to the desired target. Both options are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into smaller containers on floor scales before dispensing, which increases worker productivity. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical position by pressing the rotate switch. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Alternate clamps are available to handle drum and roll materials varying from 5 to 26 inches in diameter and weighing up to 500 pounds. Popular additional options available for this model include a small drum adapter for gripping drums as small as 14 inches in diameter, a scale system for dispensing by weight or performing inventory. Select indicators can be hardwired to printers or configured to wirelessly transmit to PLCs. When handling heavy plastic fiber or tapered drums, it may be necessary to add either a pony hold down or foot support to reduce the risk of slippage from the clamping jaws. The foot support faces out to enable clamping of the drum from a pallet. After clamping and lifting the drum, the foot can be adjusted up or down as needed and rotated into position. The pony hold down provides a similar support to ensure a secure hold when the drum is rotated. Both supports are constructed in stainless steel for cleanliness and durability. For even more sensitive plastic or fiber drums, the clamping force can be regulated with the adjustable clamping pressure option. A pail adapter is also available specifically for handling 5-gallon pails. ELDR drum dumpers come in a standard safety yellow powder coating, but are also available in FDA-approved epoxy gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. FDA and stainless steel construction include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. When finished, you should always place your drum dumper in a safe location, lower and close the clamp, engage the foot floor lock, and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.